Welcome to the Glory website's admin area. My name is Miles and I'll be showing you around your control panel. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is log in. There's two ways you can log in. The first way is to type your website URL right here in the address bar and then make a / and type the word login and then click enter and that'll bring you to the login screen. The second way you can log in is go over here to your contact page and then scroll to the bottom. You'll see log in and log out right here. Now when you click log in, a new window will open up where you can log in. You don't want to close this window because you can always come back here and log out if you'd like. So when you click log in, you'll get transferred right over to your login page. And this is where you'll log in with the credentials that were emailed to you. So let me go ahead and log into this website now to show you the control panel. Okay, so here's the admin dashboard. Your admin dashboard may look a little bit different, but it'll be basically the same as this. Over here you can also log out. You can log out here, and then if you go back to that contact page, you could also log out here like I was mentioning earlier. So there's two places that you can log out, and there's two ways you can log in. Now over here on the left column, if you purchase any extra apps to be added to your website, you can access those over here. A calendar app was purchased for this website and all the controls to it are right over here. Now over here is where you edit your pages. All of your pages are going to be listed right here. You'll notice that it says calendar here also. This is the calendar app where the admin can go in and add events and update the calendar. This is the calendar page where it's displayed, where the admin can go in and adjust fonts, font sizes, add things to the page to adjust the look and feel of the actual page. Now going into the calendar page, they wouldn't be able to add an event or change any dates. They have to go into the calendar app to do that. And I'll show you how to edit pages in other videos. Now right below editing your pages, you will see the admin knowledge base. Down here you'll see videos and different things that will explain to you how to navigate through all your pages and edit them. Now here are all the different lessons that are available to you right now. Now scrolling down below that, you will see a form that you can fill out. If you need any extra support from me, or if you'd like me to add additional training videos up here for you, you can go ahead and fill out this form and request it right here and then click send. If you're having troubles updating something on your website, or if you'd like to see a change on your website, I offer one free change per month, but you can make unlimited changes yourself to your pages as often as you want. So if you'd like me to change something for you, you can go ahead and request that here also. Any extra information will also be available right here. So let me show you around the page editor. Okay, so we'll start off by going into the events gallery. Now this is the front end editor that is programmed on Glory websites for you to use. Everything in here is customizable. You'll see as I scroll around all these different boxes that pop up. Now I won't go into a lot of tech talk because I know many of you are beginners and you just need to know how to get started and navigate around to change some things. So for right now, I'll just point out a few different things that you could do, and then in later videos I will show you how to actually edit them. So for example, this button right here, the first one, you can actually left click down and drag this around anywhere on the page and move it. I'm going to leave it right where it's at. If you highlight over these controls and it starts flashing like that, just slide your mouse up a little bit more and it will stop flashing on you. This little wrench right here, when you click on it, it opens up the edit box. And this is where you'll be editing everything in this module. You'll see every single module has its own edit box. There's a wrench here, there's a wrench here. If you slide up, there's a wrench there. Over here's a wrench. And as you go down, there's a wrench. And you can edit each one of these separately. Next to that wrench is a duplicate button. So you can copy what you've already done here and you won't have to start over if you want to make the same thing. You can just duplicate this, you can duplicate this, or duplicate that. Then next to the duplicate, you've got row actions. And here you'll be able to set the column widths and the row widths. And then the X is where you delete it. So you can delete all the work that you've done here and start over just by clicking that X. Now let's say you wanted to add a new module. Over here is a plus button. When you click on the plus button, you will see that you have rows that you can left click on and drag and drop anywhere on the page. I'll just drop this one right here for right now. You see how it pulls up? And then over here is a modules right here. You can add video, you can add text, scroll on down, you can add all the different things that you want to right here. And all you'd have to do, like let's say I wanted to add a video. I click on the video, left click and hold down, slide it over and put it inside the column I just put there. Then this text editor will come up and you can go ahead and select your video right here. You can upload it right from your computer. Or if you click on this, you can also embed a video right here and add the code from YouTube or wherever you have your videos hosted. Now I'm going to cancel this because we do not need any of it. And it's gone just that quick by clicking the X. And then when you're done with your editing, you go ahead and click the Done button right here. And then what you'd want to do is click Publish. If you don't click Publish, it will be saved for later as a draft in the Glory website system. Then when you come back to this page, it will open up right where you left off if you save it as draft. When you click Publish, all of your changes will go live and everybody can see it on all your changes on the website. So make sure you click Publish. And let's say you're done. You can either go back to your previous tab and log out right here, or you can go ahead and click to your contact page now, slide down and click Log Out right here. It'll ask you if you want to log out of your website and you click Log Out. Then it brings you right to your login page. And that was just a quick tutorial to get you a little bit familiar with the system. I'll go into more detail on how to edit specific modules in other training videos. So welcome aboard. I'm really glad to have you here and I'll see you in the next video.